How to clear system data or other storage on iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. Wait a few seconds while your iPhone analyzes the storage. Here you'll see how much space is being used by apps, photos, media, and system data. While system data can't be deleted directly, you can reduce it by following these steps. First, go back to Settings. Scroll down, tap Safari, and then tap Clear History and Website Data. This removes cached website data and can free up storage. Next, return to iPhone Storage and review your installed apps. If you find apps you no longer use, tap the app and choose Delete App. For apps you use occasionally, you can select Offload App to remove the app while keeping its documents and data. Now, open the Photos app. Delete unwanted photos and videos. Then open the recently deleted album and permanently remove them to actually free up storage.
Finally, restart your iPhone and make sure you're running the latest compatible version of iOS, as updates can optimize storage management. That's it. These steps can help reduce system data and free up storage on your iPhone 8 Plus. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.